Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 23rd, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar is really still in a range. This is the swing high and the swing low that was formed at the FOMC last week, and it hasn't been able to break up or down. It's actually pretty weak today from the Euro PMI that we had this morning, but I got my Fibonacci retracement on here just to look for areas of resistance. I mean, the trend is literally up on every single higher time frame, so I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs. If this actually does make like a three-way pattern down and then like an engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would take it as a long. Like I said, the trend is up on every single higher time frame. If it does decide to go down and break structure to the downside, I'll be more than happy to start looking for shorts on pullbacks. But until that happens, I'm definitely looking for longs all the way. So we do have a few things to keep an eye out for, especially for the Aussie. We have Aussie news this evening or tomorrow morning, depending on where you are. We got cash rate for the Aussie, which they're not planning on lowering interest rates, but who knows? And then we got somebody in Japan speaking. We got a press conference in Australia. That's probably going to be pretty good. And then consumer confidence is probably the only other thing that might do something in the New York session. So we definitely got a few things to look out for tomorrow. Hopefully we'll see some good volatility and some good entries to trade. So as always, don't forget to join my free Discord group and happy trading.